So in today's video, I want to share with you this go-kart that I picked up. I don't know what brand this thing is. I can't find it anywhere online. I can't find any name on it anywhere. If anybody can help me identify who manufactured this thing, that'd be great. But let's take a closer look at it. We got a Tecumseh 6 horsepower engine. And I updated the shock absorbers on it. I put the RFW shock absorbers on the front and the back. It's got an adjustable seat, and the front tires, well, are a little bald, but that's no big deal. And but this is it, you know. It's fun. It runs great. Maybe I'll make some videos of it riding, but for now, I want to tell you the guy that I bought it from. He said that he manufactured that cover that's in the back that goes over the torque converter, so it is a torque converter drive system. It's a live axle, so it's got two-wheel rear drive, positive traction. But there it is, the unidentified go-kart. Let me show you the front suspension. I haven't seen any suspension like this in any other go-karts, and that's what kind of makes me question whether or not I need to be able to get parts. So it's like a straight bar, and at one point when I bought it, this is actually rubbing right here. Every once in a while it would touch right here, but what I did is I replaced these bolts and then I put grease in there, and that seemed to help that situation. So I don't know, should we name it? Should we name it like Old Blue or something? Anyway, thanks for watching.